Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can create folders and upload files in Google Drive. So it's pretty simple. So for this you need to open your Google Drive on your iPhone. And then at the bottom right corner you can see the section called Files. Click on Files. And on the Files sections, you want to click on the plus button at the bottom. Once you click on the plus button, you want to click on where it says folder. Once you click on folder, you can create yourself a folder. So I will create a folder called Go. And I can click on create after I name the folder. And as you guys can see, a folder has been created. Now what I can do is click on Go, or go inside the folder which you just created. Now again inside the folder you can see the plus button at the bottom. Click on the plus button and click on upload. And from over here you can click on browse to browse the photo or folder which is inside your phone, or click on photos and videos and it's going to show you all the photos and videos of your gallery. Click on it and then it's going to show you all the photo available in your gallery. You can choose them and click on upload, and all of the photos, videos, anything you want to upload is going to be uploaded inside this folder. It's not going to be uploaded outside the folder. It's going to be inside the folder. That is how we guys can create folders and upload files in Google Drive. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.